Here it is. Here's the bad main bearing. This is clutch side of the crank. Um, this bearing started to chew itself up. Um, there's one main bearing in here that's real bad. That's this guy right here, I believe. He's really screwed up. Another one that's about halfway screwed up. Another one has a tiny nick. And the other ones are all surprisingly clean. Is that a Streetfighter 1098 2010? These are the quote-unquote good bearings, but sometimes they have a peculiar failure. So have a listen. Real chunky. The engine builder said that he could barely turn the crank by hand just because of the chunkiness in this one. Most of the other bearings were good. Only the output shaft to the rear drive sprocket had a little tiny click in it, but everything's being replaced. Chunky. I got the bearings out. Here they are. Most of them are pretty clean. That one's got a nick. And here's the meteorite. Pretty gnarly. And then clean. This one's got a gash in it too, but the rest of them are clean. Outer race is actually completely fine, unscathed, and this is the inner race. This is definitely what was making all my noise.